Good morning, everybody. Wow, the world's ending. What is this? On November 18th, the world is ending. Everything's down. I'm surprised eBay is back up. So I jumped on this morning to do my thumbnail. It's down. Go to Canva because I got Google Gemini to do a thumbnail. Canva's down. And I try to go over to Photo P's down. Then I check to see what the hell's going on, and Down Detector was down. Now it's back up. I was getting an error on Down Detector. Oh, look at all that stuff down. Uh-oh. Grinder is down. Wow. Oh, okay, so Down Detector's back up. Let's see. I gotta get into Canva. No, Canva's down. So I don't know what the thumbnail's gonna look like. Anywho, good morning. I did work on a thumbnail because yesterday when I went to bed, I was at like $50, $60 maybe. And so we did kind of pull it out last night at the last second, I guess. 103. 103, so a little bit of a down day, but you will have those type of days in the reselling world. So let's go ahead and get pulling here. I already pulled all the airplane cards, which probably made up close to half my sales. So, but yeah, you'll have these down days. I see people talking that they have no sales, and I don't understand the algorithm. I'm not gonna pretend that I do, but there's got to be something wrong when you have 44,000 items and there are days you sell two. It just never makes any sense to me. But what are you gonna do? You're gonna go get a 9 to 5, put on a suit and tie, drive 2 hours, commute? I ain't gonna do it. So just a reminder, tonight 8:20 over on Whatnots, I have a 20-minute show. I have either 8 or 11 lots to go through. Depends on how much I can get done in my corner missing. I can get done in my 20 minutes. I'm pretty confident 8 will be right. It will be the appropriate number. Might have to rush it. I checked the last time I did this Shopaholic event. I did 39 lots in 20 minutes. And it was all like 2 or 3 real photos, postcards. So I did those. I could just do those rapid fire. But like I have a lot, I showed you I have a lot of 150 motels. Hell, that could take 5 minutes to go through. So last card with the missing corner. AW8. I got 50 listings done yesterday. I don't even know what I did yesterday. What did I do yesterday? Obviously not much. Yeah, I don't know what the hell I did yesterday. Those 50 listings, I researched each one to get comped, so to get an appropriate price. And those 50, that took over an hour and a half, I think, to get those. Oh, I got this one. That's an old one. Tell by the old background. I think it might be missing the It might be missing the second picture there. But man, look at that. Ugh. And another old one sold. Got that one out. More airplane cards. David, David already buy one? He sure did. So hopefully stuff comes up today, but if it doesn't, I mean, I just use those things. I don't rely on them. My life can go on without them, but so many internet outages and everything now is tied to, Amazon CloudWorks. We're just going to wake up one day and it's just all gone. So I guess yesterday when I was talking, what are you going to sell when if you can't sell in your niche? What are you going to sell if the internet goes away? I'll be trading cows, farm animals, chickens. So what is this one? Doylestown. I think I just listed this not too long ago. Doylestown, kind of a rich area near Philadelphia. It's like the rich suburb. There's a whole bunch of rich suburbs. I don't know if Doylestown is Bucks County, but if you've ever driven around the suburbs of the western suburbs of Philadelphia, man, there's some frickin' gorgeous mansions there. So I always price up my Bucks County cars. I think that's where Doylestown is. Don't quote me. I've been through it. I've been around it. The in-laws are around that area. There's a crease in that. Hopefully they saw it. Use the zoom feature to zoom in on that. Not going to be a long show, which good for your ears. Garrett C. Got dealt with Garrett. Still got 4 pending INRs. All have been marked delivered. I have sent a couple replacements. I've told a couple other people to wait. But if they don't know just to send a message and they open the case, I'm sure they're not proficient enough to actually close the case or contact you or me when the card actually arrives. So I'm just gonna let eBay close it for me. That is a weird ass postcard. Like a little bus trolley thing. Looks like they had an extra bus, and I don't know if this is true or not. If it's like a make-believe postcard, or if there's actually a bus attached to like a gondola line. Come on, Seaside, where are you? Seaside. There it is. Looks like a neat little town. Probably just a tourist trap area. But I like all the beach houses and like a boardwalk up in Seaside, Oregon. We got AY4. A couple more days till York. Looking forward to it. I get Dunkin' like 2 days in a row. I mean, there's nothing stopping me from getting Dunkin' every morning if I want it, but usually just reserve that for when I'm out road tripping. So, 9 minutes. Here's that one. I don't know what this is. Western Port Inn. How were your sales? Let me know in the comments. Again, let me know if you have any questions that I can answer. I did see someone wanted what I would be looking for at York. I'm gonna hold that kind of close to the chest. At least, my members' videos when I talk about my bolos. you could pretty much tell what I'm going to go look for. But still, I'm going to kind of keep that, my shopping list to myself right now. I don't want to, as I was talking yesterday about the shelf clearers, how that's just, I don't think that's right. I don't want to give a girl has its secrets. So we'll keep that, I'll talk about it. I don't know what, I'm sure I'll do some type of what I bought video. But speaking about those shelf clears, I saw some reel. I don't know if it was on YouTube, Facebook, but someone like clearing a shelf of cookies because they sell good on Amazon. And just bags of cookies. Some ladies just like filling her shopping cart with all the bags of cookies. And those I don't do Pokemon cards, but those resellers that go to like Target or Walmart, and they're literally Costco, and they're filling shopping carts full of merchandise. That just doesn't sit right. But anyway, what am I going to do about it? Nothing, because no one's clearing the shelf of postcards. I mean, I will. I guess I will. I'll buy the table out. But usually in the postcard world, those buyouts happen at the end of the show. So although there was, sorry, I have seen it where they do the buyout at like end of Saturday, and that dealer leaves, but then the dealer who bought runs that table too. So I've seen that before. But anyway, I think that's it. Do a quick refresh. I'm not expecting anything. A relatively short video. Just curious if anything is up yet. Still down. I have a feeling people are going to be playing a lot on their phones today at work. Everybody have a great day. We'll see you tonight, again, 8:20 on the Whatnot. I do have I won an auction of postcards off of eBay. Supposedly a big flat rate box. It was supposed to be here yesterday, and it's still in frickin' Denver. So I don't know when that shows up, but I'm going to try to figure out how to do a live unboxing and go through that box. So anyway, everybody have a great day, and hopefully your internet comes back to the land of the living. Okay, thank you. Bye.